Hi, I'm Joe Altieri, inventor and CEO of FlexScreen, and I'm reducing the price of our window screens throughout this coronavirus crisis, and here's why. The CDC recently released an official document with guidelines for keeping our homes, workplaces, and schools as safe and healthy as possible during this pandemic. In all cases, one of the top recommendations was to increase ventilation by opening windows. Now, we've always known that open windows, fresh air, and proper ventilation are keys to good health. In fact, scientific studies have proven that fresh air actually contains a compound that acts as a disinfectant against pathogens and germs that lurk in the atmosphere. However, open windows without the protection of proper window screens can have the exact opposite effect by inviting a host of insects, rodents, and other disease-carrying creatures into your home. So, if you are unable to open your windows because you have broken, inadequate window screens or no screens at all, we want to help. Starting immediately and continuing until we're through this crisis, we are reducing our price dramatically. This discounted price is for all flex screens, all sizes, with no quantity limitations. Shipping is free on orders of 3 or more screens, and we have partnered with Afterpay to offer the option to buy now and make convenient monthly payments. Now, because of the CDC recommendations, we are currently experiencing an increased volume in orders. While we pride ourselves in our typically fast turnaround times, please be aware that delivery may take a day or two longer than usual during this unprecedented time. I apologize in advance to all of our customers for any delay you may experience, and I thank you for your patience. I personally feel very fortunate to be in a position to provide a product that can help everyone follow the CDC's best practices for a healthier indoor environment. And I believe that this could be a great service to many, especially at this critical time. Please let us know if we can help you. Learn more and download the CDC's fact sheet at FlexScreen.com. Stay safe and be healthy, and remember that we are all going to get through this together.